Number 15, I'm going to be combining like terms here, so we got some more rational expressions. 13 divided by 2 times a. And what other a terms do we have? 2 over 3a is negative, so minus 2 over 3a. And then we have some b terms, so plus 9 divided by 5b. And then we have negative 3 over 10, so minus 3 over 10b. And then we just have a minus 32. All right, so I need to get common denominators with the ones that have like terms. So the a's, they have a 2 and a 3 on the bottom. So if I want those to be the same, 2 and 3 will give us 6. So I'm going to look at it like this, doing these two together, doing these two together, and that doesn't have a like term. So easiest process is just to multiply the denominators together, unless you can multiply one of them. So 2 times 3 will give us a denominator of a 6. And then cross 3 to 3, 13. 3 to 13 will give us 39. And then 2 times 2 will give us 4, but that's minus, so it'll be minus 4a. So this is what we're dealing with here. And then I'm going to go ahead and common denominator here, I can just multiply by 2 to get that 10. So times 2 and times 2, top and bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and say plus. We'll figure out the sign later. 9 times 2 will give us 18. And then it's over 10. This will stay the same, so minus 3. All right, and then minus 32 at the back. All right, so now we're going to do the math. 39 minus 4 will give us 35 over 6. I'll just put the a at the back. 18 minus 3 will give us 15, and it's going to be positive. Should be 15 over 10b minus 32. All right, 35 is divisible by 5 and 7, so this will not reduce. So we're going to leave it as 35 over 6a. 15 and 10 will reduce, so we can divide both these, and that will give us 3 over 2. So divide both of them by 5. And then minus 32. Divided by 6a plus 3 divided by 2b minus 32. And then our last one, so we get a little bit of a extra step here. So if you have your two expressions in parentheses, okay, still follow order of operations first. All right. All right, so if you can simplify inside parentheses, you would do that. Same thing here. And then if you can't simplify, we're going to drop parentheses because there's nothing out front. It's like you would have to distribute if there was something here. There's nothing out front. So we can just drop these parentheses. 6x squared minus 7x plus 15. Now over here, again, there's nothing out front. I mean, you can think of it as a positive 1, so multiplying everything by 1. So we'll just drop these parentheses. The thing to be careful of is if this was a minus sign right here, you would have to change all the signs that come after it in parentheses. It would be like multiplying by a negative 1. So we multiply by negative 1, the signs would change. However, that's not the case here. It's positive. So we can't do anything. Nothing's like terms. So we just drop the parentheses. And I'm going to say minus 5x squared plus 6x minus 8. So again, if it had been a minus, you would have to change signs. Since it's not and it's a plus, then we just leave everything the same. All right, then I will combine like terms. I'm just going to underline them this time. Double underline those and triple underline this one. So I'm going to do 6 minus 5. It's going to leave me with just 1x squared, or just x squared. We have negative 7 and 6, so when we subtract those, we get a negative x, negative 1x, or just negative x. And then 15, take away 8, that will give us a 7. All right. So x squared minus x plus 7.